Hi, I'm John Lorenz from Canon USA, with the latest in Canon's most popular DSLR camera line, the Canon EOS Rebel T8i. It's a 24.1 million pixel camera that opens the door to first-time users coming from smartphones, with new levels of performance and control that also make this a worthy, affordable step-up camera for more experienced users. Like all EOS Rebels, the T8i is compatible with any Canon EF or EFS lens. The digital SLR, with its optical viewfinder, brings important benefits to photographers, like big increases in battery life and no viewfinder lag with rapidly moving subjects. The Rebel T8i takes full advantage, putting a new level of performance for an EOS Rebel into the photographer's hands. It now shoots up to 7 frames per second, so it's well suited for fast action. A more powerful Digic 8 processor and enhancements to its shutter and mirror mechanism are really noticeable here. And its 45-point autofocus system now has both face detection capability and improved AF tracking for subjects that move across the frame. It's great for families and events, but the T8i is also a terrific choice for getting started in wildlife, nature, and sports photography. There's a new level of photographic control in the Rebel T8i. A quick control dial for instant exposure adjustments, a dedicated AF on button for back button AF, and more. Live View continues to offer a vari-angle LCD screen, and Live View dual pixel CMOS autofocus adds face detection and eye detection capabilities for even greater accuracy. Video capabilities are impressive as well, making it great for vlogging or shooting videos to share on the web. UHD 4K video is available at 24p. Uncropped full HD video can be recorded at up to 60p with Canon's dual pixel CMOS autofocus, including eye detection AF and movie servo AF. The T8i now offers vertical video to match popular smartphone movie output with a simple menu setting. And there's a mic input socket for external microphones. And as you'd expect, the EOS Rebel T8i has easy-to-use built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity to download photos and videos to compatible mobile devices. Canon EOS Rebels have always been a tremendous lightweight series for the entry-level customer, and new levels of speed and performance, along with control, make the Rebel T8i an excellent way for more experienced users to step into a new camera. For Canon USA, I'm John Lorenz.
Are you looking for a powerful and versatile camera that won't break the bank? Look no further than the Canon EOS 6D Mark II. This full-frame DSLR camera is packed with features for photographers of all levels, from beginners to professionals. The Canon EOS 6D Mark II has a 26.2 megapixel CMOS sensor and an ISO range of 100 to 40,000, allowing you to capture stunning images even in low light. Additionally, it's capable of shooting up to 6.5 frames per second, making it perfect for capturing fast-moving subjects such as sports or wildlife. The camera also features a 3-inch vari-angle touch LCD display, which can be flipped out for easy low-angle shots. The touchscreen interface makes it easy to quickly adjust settings with a simple tap. The Canon EOS 6D Mark II also includes Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to easily transfer photos and videos to your computer or smartphone. You can also control the camera remotely with the Canon Camera Connect app. Finally, the camera is compatible with a wide range of lenses and accessories, so you can customize your setup to suit your needs. Canon EOS 6D Mark II is a powerful and versatile DSLR camera that is perfect for both budding and experienced photographers alike. With its full-frame CMOS sensor, dual-pixel CMOS AF, and a wide range of creative options, the 6D Mark II offers the perfect balance of professional features and usability. In this video, we'll take an in-depth look at the Canon EOS 6D Mark II and explore what makes it such an incredible photography tool. We'll review the specs and features of this camera, as well as demonstrate how to use its various controls. We'll also cover the benefits of the dual-pixel CMOS AF system and how it can help you capture stunning photos with incredible accuracy and speed. Additionally, we'll look at the various creative options available with the 6D Mark II, such as HDR, time-lapse, and more. We'll also discuss the camera's improved video capabilities, including Full HD at 60 fps and 4K at 30 fps. Finally, we'll discuss the 6D Mark II's impressive low-light performance, as well as its Wi-Fi and Bluetooth-enabled features. The Rebel T8i features a 24.1 megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor, allowing you to capture stunning images with amazing colors and detail. It also includes a Digicate image processor, which helps to reduce noise and provide fast performance. The Rebel T8i has an impressive autofocus system that includes 45 cross-type points and eye detection for portrait photography. With this system, you can easily track and focus on moving subjects with ease. It also has dual-pixel CMOS AF, which helps you to get sharp, accurate focus quickly. The Rebel T8i also has an intuitive touchscreen design, so you can easily change settings, adjust focus, and review your photos and videos. It also has built-in Wi-Fi, so you can easily share your images and videos with friends and family. The Canon EOS 5D Mark IV is the latest in Canon's series of full-frame digital SLR cameras. It offers a powerful combination of speed, accuracy, and image quality in a lightweight, rugged body. Its 30.4 megapixel CMOS sensor captures stunning images with incredible detail and clarity, and its dual-pixel CMOS AF system provides smooth, fast and accurate autofocus performance for both stills and video. The camera can shoot up to 7 frames per second with a maximum burst rate of 21 raw images. It also offers 4K video recording and Full HD recording at up to 60 fps. With its built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, you can easily share your images and videos with friends and family. In addition, the camera has a large 3.2 inches LCD touchscreen that allows you to quickly and easily change settings and review your images. The Canon EOS 5D Mark IV is an ideal choice for photographers who want to capture stunning images with the highest level of detail, accuracy and speed. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the features and specifications of the Canon EOS 5D Mark IV and see how it can help you take your photography to the next level. Hello and welcome to this video, where we will be taking an in-depth look at the Canon EOS 5D Mark IV. The Canon EOS 5D Mark IV is the latest model in Canon's acclaimed line of digital single-lens reflex (DSLR) cameras. It offers a full-frame 30.4 megapixel CMOS sensor, with a native ISO range of 100 to 32,000, expandable up to 102,400. It also has dual-pixel CMOS AF, which allows for rapid, accurate autofocus even when shooting in live view. The 5D Mark IV also has a 61-point high-density reticular autofocus system, as well as Canon's EOS intelligent tracking and recognition system. This allows for fast and precise focusing even when shooting in challenging conditions. Additionally, it has an incredibly fast burst shooting speed of up to 7 frames per second. The Canon 5D Mark IV also offers a range of advanced video features. It can record 4K video at up to 30 frames per second or Full HD video at up to 60 frames per second. The Nikon D7500 is the latest DSLR camera from Nikon, and it's the perfect choice for photographers of all levels. Whether you're looking to capture stunning landscapes or you're a professional photographer shooting action sports, the Nikon D7500 has all the features you need. This camera features a 20.9 megapixel DX format image sensor that captures stunning, richly detailed images. And with a 51-point autofocus system and 8 frames per second shooting speed, you'll be able to capture even the fastest moving subjects in sharp focus. The Nikon D7500 also features 4K UHD video recording capabilities, so you can capture your favorite moments in stunning 4K resolution. Plus, with the camera's wide ISO range of 100 to 51,200, you can shoot in any light conditions, from bright sunlight to low light settings. The Nikon D7500 also offers an impressive battery life of up to 950 shots per charge, so you won't have to worry about running out of power. The Nikon D7500 has an impressive 20.9-megapixel DX format CMOS sensor that captures incredibly detailed images, even in low-light conditions. It has an Expect5 image processing engine that enables you to capture sharp photos and full HD 1080p video at up to 60 frames per second. It also has 51 autofocus points and 8 frames per second of continuous shooting, which is great for capturing action shots. The Nikon D7500 also has an impressive ISO range of 100 to 51,200, which allows you to take photos in extremely low light conditions. It has Wi-Fi, GPS, and Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to easily share your photos with other devices. Plus, the camera has a 3.2-inch LCD touchscreen that allows you to easily navigate the menus and make adjustments to your photos. The Nikon D7500 is a great camera for any photographer who wants to take amazing photos without breaking the bank. Are you looking for a digital camera to take your photography to the next level? The Canon EOS 90D is the ultimate choice for any photographer looking to take their photography to the next level. With its impressive features, you can capture stunning images with ease. The Canon EOS 90D offers a 32.5-megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, an advanced 45-point all-cross-type autofocus system, and a 10 fps continuous shooting rate. This allows you to capture stunning images with incredible detail, even in low-light situations. It is also capable of capturing 4K video. The Canon EOS 90D also features a 3-inch vari-angle touchscreen LCD, so you can easily adjust your shots on the fly. You can also control your camera remotely with the Canon Camera Connect app. This allows you to adjust settings from your smartphone or tablet. The camera body is dust and water resistant, so you can take your Canon EOS 90D out in any weather. It also offers built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for easy sharing and transferring of your photos. With a 32.5-megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, an advanced Digicate image processor, and a 45-point all-cross-type autofocus system, the Canon EOS 90D is equipped to handle any situation. Experience the speed of shooting up to 10 frames per second and capturing 4K UHD 24p and HD 120p video. The Canon EOS 90D also has a range of features to help you take the highest quality shots. With the 3.0 vari-angle LCD touchscreen, you can easily adjust the settings and view your shots from different angles. Spend less time editing your images with features like the eye detection AF and dual-pixel CMOS AF autofocus. And with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth technology, you can wirelessly transfer images to your devices. The Canon EOS 90D is the perfect camera for those who want to take their photography to the next level.